Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Igama likayise enendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Thank you for joining us. Siyambonga uNkulunkulu ngomusa. Sengathi angaqhubeka abe nathi asibusise abe ngokuthula kwethu. I like that word and I like that and make that your word for today. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angaba ukuthula kwethu. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angaba ukuthula kwethu. In a very special way we pray for this war that is going on. And every other thing that is happening in the world. Bavikele uNkulunkulu Somandla abantu bakho kakhulukazi sikhulekela ithandwa zethu ezisebenza kulamazwe sithi uNkulunkulu Somandla hambo bavikela sikhulekela uNkulunkulu Somandla in the Middle East, in Saudi Arabia, siyakhuleka in Iran, in Doha, nazo zonke lezi ndawo ezinezimpi ezingaka sithi ngenelela moya ongcwele. Siyalazi izwi lakho linamandla futhi siyakwazi wena Jehova uzobavikela ababizwa ngegama lakho. Siyakwazi ukuthi wena Nkosi uzongenelela bazofika babuye kuthina besaphila ngoba izwi lakho lisithembisile ukuthi njoba behamba bobuya umzimba usahlangene nenyama. Siyakwethemba ingakho siza kuwena. Siyabonga Jehova namandla ngenelela baphilise banikeze ukuphila abantu bakho khona beyothola umusa wakho negracia lakho libanele. Namhlanje thandwa zami ngifisa ukuba siyobuka ivangeli lika Matthew chapter 20 from verse 29 to verse 33. Matthew chapter 20 from verse 29 verse 29 to verse 33. As Jesus and his disciples left Jericho, a great crowd followed him. 2 blind men were sitting by the roadside, and when they heard that Jesus was passing by, they cried out, "Lord, Son of David, have compassion on us." The crowd warned them to be silent, but they called out all the more, "Lord, Son of David, have compassion on us." Then Jesus stopped and he called them and he said, "What do you want me to do for you?" They answered him, "Lord, let our eyes be opened." Moved with compassion, Jesus touched their eyes. Immediately they received their sight and followed him. Thandwa zami namhlanje kuseni ngifuna ukukhuluma ngale ncwadi. Jesus leaves Jericho with his disciples and a great crowd follows him. Mabemlandela endleleni bahlangana with 2 blind men who are sitting by the roadside. But when they heard that Jesus was passing by, they cry out, "Jesus, Son of David, have compassion on us." Mhlambe zimbili lezinto engiyibukayo okwamanje. Kunalaba abahamba noJesu. Sebeyibonile imangaliso zikaNkulunkulu. Sebebonile uNkulunkulu akwazi ukukwenza. And bathi behamba endleleni ebese behlangana nalabantu ababili lamadoda azimpumputhe kodwa ayihlalele endaweni yawo. And there's something about that speaks to me. And for me, it's always been to be at the right place at the right time. And what is it so particular about these 2 blind men is that they were sitting by the roadside. Whatever they were doing, they were just sitting by the roadside. And kwesinye isikhathi thandwa zami khona lenkonzo ebalekile to sit at the feet of the master. Khona lento eyenziwa uMartha noMaria when Jesus visits. Martha gets busy. Mary sits at the feet. Mhlambe ngiyafisa ithandwa zami kukona konke. sewukhuleke kakhulu, sewukhale kakhulu, sewukhulume kwanela. Okwamanje bengicela uhlale kuNkulunkulu. Bengicela uthathe isinqumo sokuthi Nkosi, ngicela ukuhlala kuwena. Nkosi, ngicela ukubeka yonke into, imithwalo, inkulumo, inyembezi einyaweni zakho. Ngiyayithanda lenkonzo ethi sengihambe kwanela. Nkosi, sengikwenze konke. Kodwa namhlanje bengisacela ukuhlala kuwena. Thanda zami, akuvibalekile inkonzo yokuhlala kuNkulunkulu. Inkonzo kumina yokuhlala kuNkulunkulu ithi ngicela ukwenza wena ube lithemba lami. I'm willing to trust you with my life. I'm willing to put you above every other thing. Uma sengithi ngiyahlala kuwena, ngiqonda ukuthi angeke ngisazula. Angeke ngigogome yonke indawo. Kodwa ngicela ukuhlala kuwena. Yabona lento iyahlekisa kumina, ifana nefamily when they decide ukuthi one of them must quit working, anakekele ikhaya or anakekele some other thing. And obviously one of the biggest answers is, or one of the biggest question is, uma ngihlala uzokwazini ukusinakekela sonke? And unless I'm able to say, yes, ngizokwazi ukunakekela nonke, futhi I'm able to provide more than what we could, I will make sure we provide everything, and I will make sure everything goes well, then you realize ukuthi asikho vele isidingo sokuthi ngihambe ngosebenza. If every month I'm still going to get the salary thing, if every month everything is still going to be provided for this house, I may as well continue and enjoy this new life in me. Yokuhlala gade ikhaya, ngihlale ngikhulise abantwana, whether male or female, it doesn't matter. And that's something that I think God does for us sometimes. Uthi uNkulunkulu uhlala kumina, akukho ozokuswela. Hlala kumina, akukho ozokudinga. Hlala kumina, every other debt will be paid and cancelled. Thandwa zami, you cannot sit at the feet of the master unless you are willing to trust the master. Angikwazi ukuhlala uNkulunkulu uma ngingakamthembi. Kumele ngifunde ukumthemba qala. Kumele ngifunde ukuthi njengoba wena Nkosi sewuthe angihlale, ngizohlala ngoba ngiyakuthemba. Yabona, we hardly reflect, thandwa zezulu, about the words that Peter says in the Gospel of John chapter 6, when he says, "To whom shall we go? For you, O Lord, have the words of eternal life." If ever we decide to leave, but kahle kahle Nkosi, where else can we find this? Uma sidecide ukuhamba sikushiya, ubani ozosicosha? Ubani ozosinakekela? Ubani ozosenzela konke? Ubani ozosilungisela konke? Ubani osazi more than you do? So ukuhlala enkosini allows us to trust in him, but also ukuhlala enkosini opens us to this greater reality ukuthi kahle kahle we have no other option that is healthy than to stay in you. Yabona ithandwa zami, uthi uMose ngelinye ilanga uma uNkulunkulu evukwa ulaka lakhe efuna uqotha aqede isizwe, ebese uMose egijima eya kuyena athi, uNkulunkulu, hang on, I think you are missing it now. Athi labantu angiphiki ukuthi ubacasukele, angiphiki ukuthi udiniwe, angiphiki ukuthi abenzi kahle, kodwa uma wena usubabulala, uma wena ungasabanakekeli, uma wena usuvuma baphele la ehlane, uboni ukuthi zonke lezizwe, bonke labantu ezidlula kubona bazohleka wena, bazothuphi lo nkulunkulu wabo. Anti lo nkulunkulu wabo wabakhipha eGibhithe ukuze azobabulala, ababulalele lana ehlane. uMose uyamkhuza uNkulunkulu. Yabona ithandwa zami, uyawadinga amadoda, uyabadinga abantu abakwazi ukuma bamkhuza uNkulunkulu. Bathi imandoda, bathi ungabukisi ngathi phambi kwabantu. Uyabadinga abantu abakwazi ukuma phambi kwaNkulunkulu bamtshela uNkulunkulu ukuthi uma sike sahluleka abantu bazohleka wena, uma sike saba inhlekisa abantu bazothuka wena. Khona inkonzo engithandayo, inkonzo yokumtshela uNkulunkulu ukuthi umike yakuhlula lento, ungakhohlwa ukuthi abantu bazohleka wena. Bazothi abantu uphi kanti lo nkulunkulu ayisitshela ngaye, uphi lo nkulunkulu ayikhuleka kuyena, uphi lo nkulunkulu ayiphuma ayomdumisa, uphi lo nkulunkulu ayihleze eqhosha ngaye, uma izinto zakhe sezinje. Kumele simtshele uNkulunkulu ukuthi hayi, awukwazi ukwenze nje, awukwazi ukubukanisa ngabo, awukwazi ukuhleka kanye nezitha. Ethanda mina lenkonzo uNkulunkulu asibizela kuyona. uNkulunkulu usitshela into enamandla, konzo yokuhlala enkosini. Lamadoda ahleli ngasemgaqweni athi angezwa ukuba uJesu waseNazaretha. That's something absolutely powerful. Upon hearing about him, they engage him. They don't waste time. Bathi Jesu ndodana kaDavide sihawukele. Ndodana kaDavide yiba nomusa. Bengiswela namhlanje omama obaba, men and women, abazothi yiba nomusa, have mercy, have compassion on my life, have mercy, have compassion on the lives of my children, have mercy, have compassion kubantu engazana nabo. Khona abanye abantu abanamuntu, khona abanye abantu bahlala bodwa, khona abanye abantu who rely on us as ibandla to pray for them. Khona abantu asebekhohliwe ngenxa yokuxakeka ukuthi uNkulunkulu wethu uyakwazi ukuyixazulula inkinga. Enezibandla simelwe ukuma sibakhulekele ukuthi Nkosi nasebelimele, Nkosi nasebekhohliwe, Nkosi nabadangele, Nkosi nabadepressed, Nkosi naba anxious, Nkosi nabangasazi ukuthi bazokwenze njani, hamba uyobasiza. We have a spiritual obligation to pray. Sikhuleke engathi siyaqala, sikhuleke engathi akukho la ebesiyakuya khona, ukuthi moya ongcwele ngenelela, moya weqiniso basize, moya olalelayo hlala nebandla lakho nabantu bakho ubaphilise ngobungcwele. khona lenkonzo uNkulunkulu ayenzayo lamadoda ayamemeza ngiyafuna ukuhlala kule nkonzo thana Nkosi ngiphi inkonzo yokumemeza bhala phansi for me Nkosi ngiphi inkonzo yokumemeza siswele inkonzo yokumemeza Nkosi ngiphi inkonzo yokumemeza ngoba inkonzo yokumemeza yabona ithandwa zami khona lento esikhohlwayo impilo ayimfuni umuntu otetemayo impilo ayimfuni umuntu ototoswayo impilo ayimfuni umuntu ontekenteke impilo ayimfuni umuntu otetemayo impilo ayimfuni umuntu ototoswayo impilo ayimfuni umuntu ontekenteke write those things down for me impilo ayimfuni umuntu otetemayo impilo ayikwazi ukuhlalelana nomuntu ohleze etetema ohleze ekhala impilo futhi ayikwazi ukuhlalelana nomuntu ototoswayo ohleze yena ehandlishwa ngama gloves ephathwa ngama cotton wool ayimfuni umuntu ototoswayo ayikwazi ukuhlala nomuntu ontekenteke umuntu weak yabona ithandwa zami why ngithi impilo ayimfuni umuntu otetemayo ototoswayo nontekenteke because the first thing we ever had to do masifika kulomhlaba was to cry khona inkonzo esayenza esakhala esaqabalasa esagcwala i-labor ward uma sikhala la esasibelethelwa khona kwezwakala for the first time ukukhala kwakho khona lenkonzo engifunayo inkonzo yokumemeza ayikho ingane ethi mayizalwa makuthiwa ikhale ikhala isitayela mayikhala iyamemeza mayikhala iyaqabalasa mayikhala yenza lento esingakaze sizwe ivela kuyona thanda zami ukuba sikhalanga ukuba simemezanga sasingeke siphefumule write that down for me ukuba ngikhalanga ngangeke ngiphefumule ukuba ngimemezanga kwangekho ukuphila kumina kwakubalekile kumina onesi nodokotela they get worried if mngani ngakhali bayakhathazeka ngani ngakhali lengane ngoba the moment ngikhala amaphaphama yavuleka the moment umemeza khona usizo zolithola the moment usondela khona into uNkulunkulu azokunika yona ngithanda leyo nkonzo mina uNkulunkulu usesifundisile ukuthi impilo ayimdingi umuntu otetemayo ayimdingi umuntu ontekenteke ayimdingi umuntu ototoswayo idinga abantu abakwazi ukumemeza idinga abantu abakwazi ukukhala amazulu alalele idinga abantu abakwazi ukuthi mabekhala maqedane kuvela ukuphila idinga abantu ukuthi mabekhala maqedane izinto zenzeke izinto zilunge akukho kunye ebekumele sikwenze yabona lamadoda enza inkonzo ejulile akhala endaweni right akhalela umuntu oright khona lento engimele singakhohlwa iyona khona abanye abakhalayo kodwa bakhala endaweni wrong bakhale kubantu aba wrong bakhale kubantu abazohlekisa ngabo siyidinga lenkonzo yokufunda ukukhala endaweni right ukukhala endaweni yokuphila ukukhala la izinto zilungiswa khona umuntu nomuntu uyayidinga leyo nkonzo empilweni yakhe yabona khona into eyenziwa uJesu esezulwini uthi uJesu, Eloi Eloi lama sabachthani, Nkulunkulu wami ungishiyelani na? My God, why have you forsaken me? Yazi khona into esingayinaki, lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu waqeda ukumemeza elodwa lamasosha babephikisana bethi umemeza uEliya yini na? Akeze uEliya azomsiza. Abantu ababehleli phansi bembhuqa bathi yindaba ungamemezi ucelela uNkulunkulu wakhe akusize. Abanye bathi wena wawubaphilisa, yindaba ke manje ungakuthi khona lenkonzo abantu that they can identify with, make wamemeza nginosizo kumele ulithole. Even nasebusuku masilele masiza umuntu ekhala ememeza, the first question, ukhalaphi lowo muntu, asambeni siyosiza. Ngifuna ukudlula kulabantu abasabayo ukumemeza, abasabayo ukukhala. Ungakusaba ukukhala, khona uNkulunkulu ezokwazi ukukusiza. Athi obhala kahle encwadini kaExodus, athi bheka inyembezi zabantu bami seyifikile kumina. Athi usizi lwabo ngiyalazi. Athi ukuhlupheka kwabo sengikubonile. Athi ngiyeza manje ngizolungisa isimo. Sithandwa sami, ngifuna ukuthi kuwena inyembezi zakho uNkulunkulu uyazazi. Ukukhala kwakho sekufikile uNkulunkulu. Write this down for me. Inyembezi zami uNkulunkulu uyazazi. Usizi lwami uNkulunkulu uyalibona. Inyembezi zami uNkulunkulu uyazazi. Konke okukhalisayo uNkulunkulu uyakwazi. Konke ongakunikezi ukuthula uJehova uyakwazi. Futhi uyena yedwa ozolungisa isimo. Inyembezi zami uyazazi. Usizi lwami uyalazi. Uthi bheka manje ngiyeza ngidala konke kube kusha. Ayikho into that you are going through uNkulunkulu wethu angayazi. Emehlweni ethu kubukeka sengathi uthule. Emehlweni ethu kubukeka sengathi akaboni. Emehlweni ethu kubukeka sengathi uyaziba. Kodwa ngifuna ukutshela one thing. Akazibi. Akathule ngoba engaboni. Khona into ayenzayo. Yo my God. Yabona kwesinye isikhathi fanele simlalele uNkulunkulu, simhloniphe, sibonga ukuhlakanipha kwakhe. Kunezinto uNkulunkulu ayihlelayo, azenzayo esingaboni. Ubuke abantwana bakaIsrael, they are in a panic. When they are in a panic, babuka ulwandle olubovu, babuka abantu baseGibhithe bezobabulala, kanti abazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu usebahlelele. Write this down for me. uNkulunkulu wami usengihlelele. God has made a plan for me. uNkulunkulu wami usengihlelele. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu wathi ngimosa ngaphakamisa induku. Yabona uNkulunkulu mase kuhlelela. Uyazi khona into esikhohlwayo. Thina we always think uNkulunkulu mase siza uzokwenza ukuthi nokuthi. We are descriptive ngoba we can only talk about what we know. We can only talk about our own experiences. Hayi uNkulunkulu mase kulungisela lento, hayi uzokwenza kanje nakanje, hayi uNkulunkulu ukunika umsebenzi wena uphile, hayi I know. uNkulunkulu mase kuhlelela uzokwenza izinto untold, unthought of, unheard of. Wake wezwapha abantu bedabula ulwandle olubovu. Wake wezwapha abantu behamba emhlabathini owomileyo. Wake wezwapha abantu the very same ocean sea abanye bayalidabula bahambe abalandelayo liyabamboza libabulale. Thanda sami ngicela ukusho something with great respect. Ungamclaim uNkulunkulu. Ungayitsheli ukuthi uyamazi uNkulunkulu. Ungayitsheli futhi ukuthi uyamazi ukuthi uzokwenzani. Azazi indlela zakhe. Asikwazi ukucabanga kwakhe. Asazi nanokuthi uzosikhipha kanjani kulolu taka esibhekene nalo. Asilazi usikhipha kanjani kulezi insizi abantu abethu ababhekene nazo. Ungamclaim uNkulunkulu. Ungazitsheli ukuthi uyamazi uNkulunkulu. Ungayitsheli ukuthi hayi mina vele uNkulunkulu ngiyazi uzokwenza ukuthi no. Uzokwenza ngendlela yena abona kufanele enze ngayo. Engifuna ukwazi ukuthi yena uzokwenza kwenzeke. Enye into engifuna ukuyiveza uthi bathi mabekhala becela usizo. The crowds that walk with Jesus, the very same crowd, ibona ababathulisayo, ibona ababakhuzayo, ibona ababatshela ukuthi abangambangeli uNkulunkulu umsindo. Ngifuna ukuthini kuwena namhlanje? Suka kubantu. Suka kubantu. Izolo entshumayelweni yami ngike ngenza umzekeliso. There are 3 kinds of people basempilweni zethu. Siyathanda noma sithandi bazoba khona. 3 kinds of people. Bhala phansi. Number 1, ama-frenemies. Frenemies. Babangani abayizitha zethu. Babangani abayizitha zethu. Thina we think they are friends, but they are frenemies. That's the first group of people. Frenemies. Wena ngokwakho umngani wakho. Yonke into uyenza openly. Uyamthanda, uyamthemba, umvulela ikwakho, umvulela ikini, uyazi impilo yakho yonke. Ayikho into ongayishare naye. Ayikho into ongayenzi naye. Uma exakekile, you go out of your way ukumsiza. Abanye balabantu are family members. Abanye balabantu sizalwa nabo. Abanye balabantu sibashadile. Abanye balabantu ama colleagues at work. Wena mumbuka ubona umngani. When things are going tough on you, they are there. You think bazokusupport? No. Bazobheka indaba. Bazokuhleka silently. Abanye babo balapho uqinisekisa ukuthi you take the last breath. Abanye babo balapho to ensure you never rise. Uyabona bafana nabantu othi you are in your deathbed and you realize ukuthi kunamanzi akumele bakuphuzise wona namaphilisi ekumele bakuphuzise wona, kodwa ama frenemies instead yokuthi bakunike into ephilisayo, they give you small poison ozokulimaza ukubulale slowly. They influence our thinking. They whisper into us when uyitshela ukuthi uyangithanda, when uyitshela ukuthi ungikhonzile. Abanye babo they ensure ukuthi they create a division and they open a gap between wena nehlobo, between wena nomndeni, between wena nabantwana bakho, between wena nabantu obathandayo. These are frenemies. phambi kwakho bayakhala, behind your back bahlekisa ngawe. Ibona laba ababuyele emuva bayotshela abanye abantu everything wena you have concealed and kept secret. Uchuke wena ukuthi kungani abantu kunezinto ezingaka abazaziyo, kungani usibanibani esengizonde engangikhulumisi, kungani usibanibani esebehavior kanje, ngoba mina I thought ngakhuluma nalona nje in confidence, kanti awazi wawutshela ifrenemy. Khona uhlobo lwabantu olunjalo, lolo hlobo lwabantu luhlezi luseduze kwakho. They are happy to see you down. When you succeed, they hate it. Bayeza bezohleka nawe kanti bahleka inhlinini. Deep down, they hate you. Abanye ngelinye ilanga bokuhlambulukela ukuthi wena kungani yonke into yakho ihamba kahle. Abanye kuthi kuhlekwa kungonakali kahle, uthe osibanibani phela bazalwa with golden spoons in their mouth, osibanibani phela bazalwa bembethe, osibanibani phela yonke into yabihamba kahle, wena ingane zakho right, umyeni wakho uyakuthanda nasemsebenzini, hayi phela nathi awusenzela. Ubokwazi ukuthi abantu abasho njalo are your frenemies. Bese kuba khona a second group of people. Le second group of people iyangichaza. Ingabantu mina ngokwami engithi baseduze kwakho, kodwa khona abakwenzela okubi besebenzisa labantu. Labo bantu ngibabiza ngama handlers. They handle other people. Ibona abathumela abantu bakushaya ngomshosha phansi. Zinyoka lezo. Ngeke ubabone. Wena awazi ukuthi kahle kahle wena uzonda lo ophambi kwakho, kanti lo ophambi kwakho naye uyisidididi esithunyiwe esetshenziswayo. Ubohamba uye kule ndaba yokubulawa kukaJohannes uMbhaphatisi. uJohannes uMbhaphatisi ubani obiza phambi kwaHerodi ukuthi ngicela ikhanda likaJohannes on a silver platter. Intombazane eyayidansa, kodwa intombazane isididida yazi lutho, yabuza unina wathi hamba ongilandela ikhanda. Umuntu oyisitha, umuntu oyinyoka, umuntu oyihandler was Herodias. That's the second group of people. Ngeke ubabone, ngeke ubazi, kodwa ibona abakushayayo. Yazi inkinga, abanye babo wena ugijima uye kubona uyobaxoxela ukuthi hey usibanibani ave inyoka, hey usibanibani ave yinja, hey usibanibani usengenza ukuthi nokuthi. Ubaxoxela wena ngoba uyitshela ukuthi abangani bakho, ngoba uyitshela ukuthi usebenza nabo, kanti those are the very same people abathumele lenyoka esekuyiyona echoboza ikhanda. Bona ithandwa zami, uma usempini bokuhlale phansi uhlehle uyianalyze impi. Khona incwadi engifisa ukuthi manithola isikhathi nifunde. It's called The Art of War. It's very small. The Art of War. Yabona uma usempini kumele ukuhlale phansi uyibuza ukuthi kahle ubani oyisitha sami la. Akusiye wonke umuntu ophambi kwakho oyisitha sakho. Khona abanye abangazi lutho nje ngenhlonipho enkulu engizothi idimdimu ehamba nomoya, eyimuka nomoya, eyisetshenziswa inoma ubani. Kodwa ubothi mushaye isitha sakho, unga waste ama bullets akho entweni esebenziseka kalula, hamba oshaya umnikazi. thana angifuni ukudila nalokhu, ingane le. Ingakho bathanda mina omkhwanazi general abafuna abafana abancane, bafuna the real guns, the real McCoy, ukuthi ayanginendaba nalokho, ingane lokho anginendaba nalokho, lokho nabanye bangadilana. Athi mina ngifuna lo yamfana wami, athi ngifuna ukuyobhidliza ama-altari, athi ngifuna ukuya kwisizinza la uthatha khona izinto, athi ngifuna the mastermind behind this. That is what we need. If you go on any war, physical or spiritual, ungadili nabafana abancane, ungadili nabantu abathatha ama-instructions. Hamba kulo okhipha ama-instructions. Ubani? Those are second group of people. They're dangerous. Those are your handlers. Because bazokulimaza when you go back to them, uyabathemba, abaveli nangokhalo, ngeke ubone ukuthi ubani. Hamba obheka uthunywe ubani mfana wami ngobula, ngoba lento nayo namandla osunawo ngakuwathathephi. Baningi abantu uma singanaki singayitshela ukuthi eyosibani bani banamandla, osibani bani banje, no, it's not them, suka kubona and ukuba ubukhulile ubuzoyisusa impi yakho kubona ukuthi no, ku-useless ukuzonda usibani bani, akuyena usibani bani lo ongishayayo la, akuyena usibani bani ongilwisayo la, usibani bani naye uyayuzwa, usibani bani naye uyesaba, usibani bani naye uyibhoyi, uyigeli likasibani bani. Hamba obheka lo akhothama kuyena, baqedane shaya. Ke kuthi ngelinye ilanga lamadoda mase phakama athi ngizoshaya wena, ngize ngishaye nenyanga yakho la uthathe khona lo muthi. Uyizwe inyanga isikhala lithe lo muntu besithi siyamshaya, ayikonakele sike salwa naye ebusuku ayikwanginqa. Ungamshaya umuntu okulethela umuthi, shaya yena, kodwa futhi amboshaya inyanga yakhe. Lemnike lo muthi, hamba ushaya inyanga yakhe, emnike lento le, hamba ushaya lo muntu omnike lesisibhamu, hamba ushaya lo muntu omfidayo ukuthi akahamba ayokwenza lento, hamba ushaya labo bantu. Nabo abantu abayizitha. Bese kuba igroup yesithathu. Sahlela evangelini lika Matthew chapter 20 verse 29 to 33. Ngikhuluma ngesixuku esithulisa labantu ukuthi bangakhali uNkulunkulu. The third group, khona lolu hlobo lwabantu esithi ba ghoster. They hate you and yet they love you. Uyabazi abantu, that's the group. They hate you and yet they love you. By ghost. Uyabazi abantu who are always watching you. They watch your statuses. They watch you on live. They watch you on Instagram. They watch you on Facebook. They watch you on TikTok. They watch your statuses. Befuna ukubona yonke into oyenzayo, kodwa bafuni bazi ukuthi uyababona. Yonke into oyenzayo bane interest kuyona. Yonke imove yakho, yabona labo bantu are your faithful followers. Make wa poster, they're there. Silently they will watch, they will never comment. Kwakusakhona, I'm not sure nomsakhona lento uGP WhatsApp lento kwabuka umuntu kodwa ungabonakala ukuthi ukuviewile ama statuses akho naso zonke. They are like that. They are like snakes, they slime and they move around. Bafuna ukwazi yonke into ngawe, ma ukuthi ukhuluma nobani, wazana nobani, uvelaphi, ucaba. They know everything ngawe. They check everything. They ghost you. Why? They hate you and they love you. And they cannot admit ukuthi they admire you. Uyabazi abantu abakuzondayo kodwa you impress them. Uyabazi abantu abakuzondayo and yet you are their role model. Uyabazi abantu abakuzondayo and yet izinto oyizona nozenzayo bayayihalela. Ukube beyingenziwo wena bebezokhuluma ngazo bayithande bathi wow, kodwa ngoba zenziwo wena. Khona omunye umuntu oyincoma into engakazi ukuthi yenziwo ba the moment abone lela gama ebese kanti yenziwa ile njalo. Khona abantu abanjalo empilweni. They are there wherever you are. Ayikho into oyenzayo, ayikho into oyipostayo abangenayo. Hamba kuma phones abo namhlanje uwabheke, you will think you live in their phones. Everything you post, you say, you do is there, and yet they hate you and they love you. Because we goat. You the greatest thing, and they cannot deal with that. And that frustrates them. They know you great, and that kills them. And ifana no Herod, lithi izwi kaNkulunkulu, uHerod uthi wayemthanda uJesu, emsaba, kodwa ethanda ukumlalela ngoba izinto ayeyikhuluma zazimphilisa. Khona abantu abanjalo. Khona abantu abakuzondayo. Not ukuthi bayakuzonda. Bayakuthanda ukuthi they cannot admit ukuthi bayakuthanda. Ingakho they know everything about your life. And they will go out of their way to make sure wena kahle kahle unama bodyguard ongawakhokheli. Noma kuthiwa kephi nendawo, they know. Noma kuthiwa wenzani, they know. Unabantu abakuzondayo, abakuthandayo, kodwa they will never admit it to you. Bahamba noJesu, and yet batshela amadoda ukuthi musana ukuba ngumsindo. Kodwa ngiyamthanda uJesu, lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu. Then Jesus stopped and he called them. In verse 31, and wababuza umbuzo wodwa, what do you want me to do for you? Nifuna nginenzeleni? Kukona konke ke ufunani? Nanku umbuzo ithandwa zami. Izithi ingane zami umbuzo umile. What do you want God to do for you? Write this down for me. What do I want God to do for me? What do I want God to do for me? Yini engifisa uNkulunkulu angenzele yona? And don't rush in answering that question. Don't rush. Every time, every day, every moment, when you meet the situation that is beyond for you, that is too much for you, ask yourself, what do I want God to do for me? In this situation, what do I want God to do for me? What do I want God to do for me? Abana mina ithandwa zami, into eyiningi empilweni yami, ngihlale ngibuke ngithi lithini icebo likaNkulunkulu. Anginendaba ukuthi abantu bathini. Anginendaba ukuthi sekwenzakalani, anginendaba ukuthi sekunjani. Kodwa umbuzo ohlezi ungiphilisa, lithini icebo likaNkulunkulu? Ufunani uNkulunkulu? Yini efuna uNkulunkulu? And I made a promise to myself, I will never deny him whatever he wants. I will never deny him. And yangiphilisa mina lokho. Ufunani uNkulunkulu? And once I ask that question, immediately I say to myself, whatever you ask, I will never deny you, Lord. Because in my yes is my peace. Mangimnikile uNkulunkulu lokho athe uyakufuna, inhliziyo yami iba nokuthula. Ufunani uNkulunkulu kumina? And so that's my question for you. What do you want God to do for you? But sit with it. Akuwona 1 + 1 is equal to 2, lo ithandwa zami. This is not a mathematical question. This is not an obvious question. It is a deep spiritual question. It needs us to sit. You know, sometimes khona ezinye izinto esiyitshela ukuthi siyayifuna, we think we want them, and I ask myself, but do I really want it? We think we need them, but do I really need it? Khona i-principle enginayo when it comes to money. If imali ingena, I keep it. I don't use it immediately. Ngiyayibeka. And then angikholelwa kulento ukuthi imali mingena fanele kuyokwenza ukuthi no, ayingene ihlala. Ibonwe abanikazi, kubongwe. Then ebese ngithi mina ngifuna ukuyothenga ukuthi. And then bese ngiyathula ngithi okay, awume kancane ukuthi awufuna ukuthenga ukuthi. And then let's wait and see ukuthi after a day or two, do I still feel the same urge yokuthenga ukuthi? Ngifuna ngama big decisions to make. And once I realize ukuthi after 2-3 days the urge is not as big, as strong as was, then I realize it was not necessarily, it was not important, it was not urgent. And so I want us to go back. What do you want me to do for you? Sit with that question. Ufuna uNkulunkulu akwenzeleni? Ungajahi. Hlala. And the answers you will come out with are powerful. uNkulunkulu uzokwenzela izinto ongazazi. Now what fascinates me ngalamadoda, mebuza uJesu bathi, Lord, let our eyes be opened. Nkosi, vula amehlo ethu. Vula amehlo ethu sibone. Hey madoda, I wish uNkulunkulu angenze njalo nakuthina. Ngiyakhuleka ngathi uNkulunkulu bengawavula amehlo ethu, bengawavula amehlo ebandla lakhe, kungonakali izinto kanti amehlo ethu avalekile. Ngiye ngithi mina umcela uNkulunkulu ungashawa isitha ungaboni, ungashawa inyoka endleleni uyeqe ungaboni. Akuve kubalekile kumina leyo nkonzo. Lord, open my eyes. Vula amehlami. Bona ukuthi hlobo luni lwabantu ohlala nalo. Hlobo luni lwabantu othi uyalithanda. Hlobo luni lwabantu osebenza nalo. Hlobo luni lwabantu obazalayo. Balekile kumina. Bathi labafana, Lord, open our eyes. Vula amehlo ethu. Let our eyes be open. Yazi ngiyafisa ithandwa zami ukukhuleka lo mkhuleko. Let my eyes be open to your truth. Yazi baningi thandwa zami abaphila emangeni. Baningi abaphila ethembeni lokuthi one day kuyolunga. Yes, sometimes sinawo lama insights ukuthi kodwa uSibanibani akakaze angikhonza vele, even sisebancane sisakhula wayengihlukumeza. Yazi uSibanibani akakaze angithanda vele. Uyazi uSibanibani ever since lokhu nalokhu I've realized ukuthi nokuthi. Sometimes we are too trusting. Sometimes we want abantu babe yilento thina esifuna babe yibona. Even when the writing is on the wall, we don't see. Not because we can't see, because we refuse to see. Akumcele uNkulunkulu nanku umkhuleko, Nkosi ngivule amehlo ngibone iqiniso. Yes, sometimes ngithi kungcono ukufa wazi iqiniso kunokuphila uphilele emangeni. Kungcono ukufa wazi iqiniso kunokuphila uphilele emangeni. Write that down for us. That's your word. Kungcono ukufa wazi iqiniso kunokuphila uphilele emangeni. Kunezinto ejulile, Nkosi, open my eyes. Angibone ukuthi ungihleleleni. Mina ngiyamcela uNkulunkulu njalo, angifisi ukufa ngokuzuma, angifisi ukufa ngengozi noma ngesikhali, angifuni ukufa ngingabonanga. Ungafi ungabonanga, ungalimali ungabonanga, singakushaya isitha ungaboni, angabi khona into ezokuzuma ungazi, ezif uNkulunkulu bengekho. Hayi, azithi mazenzeka izinto ubone ukuthi okay, yagadla ke manje lenkunzi, okay, bayasondela ke manje labantu, okay, naba no, ifa njengendoda. If uyibuka ukuthi nansi lento lefuna ukungishaya, nansi lento abayivusayo, ngicela uNkulunkulu akunikeze leso sibindi ukuthi nansi into engibhekana nayo la, naba futhi engibhekana nabo la. Lamadoda acela into ejulile uNkulunkulu, athi Nkosi vula amehlo ethu. Yabona ithandwa zami, baningi abantu abashayeke bengaboni. Thola ukuthi sonke siyazi ukuthi hey, usibanibani bazomshaya, yena kazi, yena uyahleka. Sithi isiZulu lala lazi utshani obulele buvuswa ngumlilo. Yabona kunabantu abazoba seduze kwakho okuyibona abawushevu odlula ongaphandle. Kunabantu abaseduze kwakho ozothola ukuthi bona abayizitha ezinkulu edlula abantu oyitshela ukuthi wena bakufuni ngaphandle. Uzutshelwe isitha sakho ukuthi hayi wena akumina onalento nawe, akumina okulisa, kahle wena ushaywa wosibanibani, kahle wena naba abantu abakulimazayo, kodwa wena uboni lento nokuthi ngikuthole kanje le naleka, engithola ukuthi yonke into akutshela yona injengoba injalo. Ngicela uNkulunkulu, mucele uNkulunkulu, Nkosi vula amehlami, let me see again. Angike ngibuke not njengengane. Yabona ingane ayinaki, iyayibukela njengengane idlule, kodwa umuntu omdala uyaqaphela mebuka. Uyabuka abukisise, aqaphela, vula amehlo, abuka ukuthi hayibuka sekwaba nje la. Hey, khona abanye abantu othi uNkulunkulu mase kwambulela imfihlakalo uthi hey, osibanibani ngangitshela ukuthi siyazwana, kanti sekwaba nje. Kodwa bazi, mucela uNkulunkulu ungalinyazwa izinto ungaboni. Ngegama likaYise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Amen.